Hi everyone. In the 1970s, ScotRail's Glasgow-Edinburgh service was operated by pairs of Class 27 locos in a push-pull formation. In 1979, a high-speed service was introduced, operated by Class 47 locomotives plus 5 Mark III coaches and a driving brake second open converted from Mark II's. In 2022, Loco Services Limited acquired DBSO 9707 and restored it to ScotRail InterCity livery to operate excursions under the InterCity brand. Enjoy these films of one such excursion. And here's the 1233 Blair Atholl to Inverness, arriving at platform 2. A turbo star. Beautiful. Right, now recording. Driving trailer leading. Fast train approaching.